Is it changing? Can you tell? Something simple or something else? Look real close, don't guess too fast. Will it stay or will it transform at last? If it changes shape but stays the same, that's physical. Remember the name, but if something new is made inside, that's chemical. Atoms rearrange and collide. Cut a banana, slice it through, still the same fruit, nothing new. Crumple paper, bend a spoon, change the shape, but it's the same thing soon. Ice to water, water to steam, still H2O, same molecule team. Melting, freezing, boil away, physical changes every day. Sugar disappears in your drink, but it's still there, just too small to see or think. Evaporate and it comes right back, that's physical, same substance track. Now watch closely, here's the clue. Something forming that's brand new. When substances change and can't reverse, that's chemical change. Universe at work, mix it up, bubbles rise, gases forming before your eyes. Fizz and foam begin to grow, that's a chemical change you can show. Look again, the colors change, something new has been arranged. Not just paint or light you see, new substance formed, that's chemistry. Feel the warmth without a flame, energy shifting, that's the game. Hot or cold from reaction start, chemical change is doing its part. Two clear liquids, now look close. A solid forms like magic, most wasn't there before, now it's real, that's chemistry you can feel. Cook an egg, it turns from clear to solid white, completely different here. Try to change it back, you can't, that's chemical, no second chance. Leave metal out in air and rain, rust will form, it's not the same. New material, orange brown, chemical change all around. Burn some wood, watch it glow, ash and gas are left below. It's not wood like before, you see, that's a big change. Chemistry. Tear some paper, what's your call? Melting ice, remember it all. Cooking food or snapping twig, which one changes? Something big. Same substance, physical change. Substance, chemical range. Now you know the science game. You've got the power, you've got the brain.
All right, science stars, let's see what you remember. Is it a physical change or a chemical change? Get ready! Question 1. Cutting an apple into slices. What do you think? That's a physical change. It's still the same apple, just a different shape. Question 2. Cooking an egg in a pan, physical or chemical? That's a chemical change. Brand new substance forms, and you can't turn it back. Question 3. Ice melting into water. What's your answer? Physical change. It's still water, just changing its state. Question 4. Metal turning rusty over time. What do you think? That's a chemical change. Rust is a completely new substance. Question 5. Breaking a cookie in half. Physical or chemical? Physical change. Same cookie, just in pieces. How many did you get right? And remember, same substance equals physical change. New substance equals chemical change. See you next time, Science Star. Keep learning, keep exploring, keep shining.